Hi, it's Chris here from Adventure Breaks, and this is a quick run through of what food I'm going to be taking for a camping trip, which is 2 nights and 3 days long. First up though, this is my sort of hydration bladder. It's a 3 litre pack, but I just half fill it, so there's 1.5 litres in there. That'll do me for today and for tomorrow morning. When I need to top up, I've got water purification tablets, so you just put 1 tablet for each litre of water. You get it from a clean running stream. It's probably safe to drink anyway, but I like to just make sure that there's nothing nasty in it and I'm not going to get ill. So the food. I have my food in 3 different shopping bags. It helps just compartmentalise it, and that's 1 for each day. So this is my first day. I don't need lunch. I'm going to have lunch before I start hiking. So this is snacks and dinner basically. So I've got some snacks, a chocolate bar, a packet of crisps. There's some dried fruit, an apple, and a saurine bar, like a snack bar. So quite a few snacks to keep me going. Some of that can be for after dinner as well. For my dinner, what I'm going to cook up is some pasta. In here, there's some pesto. I've just put it in another jar. In another bag in case the jar leaks. And to give it a bit more filling as well. I've just got some couscous, so I'm going to stick those together, or I have the option to stick them together if I'm still hungry. Tomorrow morning, this is my biggest bag, because obviously it's the full day. In the middle, there's 2 croissants in there. I put jam on them already. I've got 3 sandwiches, 1, 2, 3. I guess I'd snack on them, sort of 1 late morning, 1 lunchtime, and 1 a bit later as well. Again, some snacks, crisps, apple, chocolate bar, 2 chocolate bars. And then for my dinner, I've got some rice here, and it's like a packet curry here. Again, all this stuff, it's already cooked, and so you're just heating it up, which you can do on the camping stove really easily and quickly, and just a nice warm meal then. So that's my middle day. My last day, I just need breakfast and a few snacks. Again, I'll be back by the car for lunchtime. So again, I've got croissants with jam in there, and a few snacks again. So bar, crisp and fruit.